In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention anyone in Google Sheets. This is a quick, reliable way to call attention to teammates, add context to your data, and keep collaboration tidy. We'll walk through the exact clicks, and I'll share a few helpful notes so you know what to expect as you go. First, open your web browser and go to Google. This ensures you're starting from a familiar place and that you're using your signed-in Google account. If you work across multiple accounts, make sure you're signed into the one that has access to the spreadsheet you plan to use. Next, look to the top right of the Google homepage for the small grid icon made up of 9 dots. That's the Google Apps launcher. Click it to open the panel of Google Apps. This menu keeps everything in one place, so you don't have to remember separate URLs. From the Apps panel, click on Sheets. That will open Google Sheets, where you can see your recent files or browse to the document you need. If you have a lot of spreadsheets, this hub view makes it easy to find the right one quickly. Now, open your document. You can select it from your recent list or your Drive folders. Once it loads, you're ready to add your mention. Keep in mind, mentions show up as smart chips, which are interactive elements that make people easy to identify right in your cells. Click on the cell where you want to mention a person. Choosing the exact cell first helps avoid placing the mention in the wrong spot, especially in shared documents where accuracy matters. On your keyboard, press the @ symbol. As soon as you type it, you'll see a suggestion list appear. This list often includes people you've worked with, contacts from your organization, and relevant suggestions. To narrow it down, start typing the person's name right after the 8 by. Sheets will filter the list so you can find the right person faster. Finally, choose the person you want to mention and click their name from the list. Sheets will insert a smart chip into the cell. You'll notice it displays the person's name clearly, and hovering over it can reveal more details. This chip is not just text, it's a richer reference that helps viewers know exactly who you're pointing to. One quick note. Adding a mention in a cell doesn't automatically share the file, so make sure the person already has access if you want them to view the sheet. That's it. You've mentioned someone in Google Sheets, keeping your spreadsheet organized and your team aligned.